Dave Asprey has a stated mission to live 180 years. And most people may know his very famous biohacking podcast, and you may know Dave for all these high-tech inventions and the latest in nootropics and the latest in neuroscience and biology on how to extend your life. One thing that people don't know about Dave is he lives on 35 acres and he raises his own sheep and goats and vegetables and fruits. And Dave and I are going to be having a conversation that we want you to join in with called How You're Never Going to Live to 100 Years Old If You're Only Eating from the Grocery Store. I also have a friend who's coming along, Stacy Murphy, talking about nutrition. She has 5 superfoods that you can grow anywhere, anytime, in a very small space and really amp up your nutritional levels. If you've been thinking about having some chickens, also known as pets with benefits, Justin Rhodes is going to join me. He's a pretty famous YouTuber, big homesteader permaculturist. He's going to be joining me and showing you what you need to do to get started with your own backyard flock. So what breeds are good, how many eggs you're going to get to collect, what you should feed them, how to protect them, and housing and water, all the stuff you need just to get started so you can start having a little miniature egg factory in your backyard. I'm going to be joined by Dr. Patrick Jones, who will be showing you how to make some herbal preparations, how to start making your own medicine at home. You know, the classic elderberry cough syrup. How do you do it? It's actually really simple. We'll show you. Amber Myers from the Herbal Academy, and we'll be talking about with the 5 herbs. If you've never made any herbal medicine before, what are the 5 best herbs you should start out with, and what do they treat and how do you prepare them? I'm going to be going with Scott Sexton. If you've been interested in foraging and wildcrafting, there's a lot of edible stuff right around you right now, and it's really fun to go out and find things and harvest them. Scott Sexton and I will be talking about what you need to know and how you can get started and what the best food, wild food, that you'll be able to absolutely identify and recognize. What's the best one to get started with and how to process it. And then, Jason Prahl with the Human Longevity Project and I are going to be talking about the relationship between your gut and the soil bacteria. And it's very clear, if you're at all worried about gut issues, you absolutely have to attend this. Now, I know there's a lot of online events and summits that are huge with so many speakers and it's overwhelming. This one is very small, very intimate, and very focused. We only have 10 presenters, and we're really just wanting to empower you to start growing your own food and making your own medicine. By the way, my name is Marjorie Wildcraft, and I'm the founder of the Grow Network, which is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth by growing our own food. I'm also the author of the book, The Grow System, the essential guide for modern self-sufficiency from growing food to making medicine. So, come join us. By the way, these are all going to be live interviews, and we will be taking questions, and you'll get to participate, and really looking forward to having you there. So you know the drill. Put your name and your email in there. We'll get you signed up. There's a lot of other bonuses and things that come with the event. So, but come join us and become empowered to take some and get some independence from grocery stores and supermarkets and drugstores. We'll see you there.